Greetings fam, if you want a compact desktop that doesn't skimp on everyday performance, this KAMRUI Pinova P1 mini PC might be exactly what you need for business, office work, or home computing. I've researched this model thoroughly across the internet so you know what it really offers and whether it's genuinely worth your money. If you want a small, versatile machine with modern features, click the link in bio and let's break it down. Right out of the gate, this mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 3250U, a dual-core processor with speeds up to 3.5 GHz. While it's not a flagship CPU, in everyday benchmark comparisons and user reports this chip handles typical productivity tasks smoothly. Web browsing, spreadsheets, video calls, and office apps all run without noticeable lag, exactly what you want for business or school tasks. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, this system feels much more responsive than entry-level desktops. That amount of memory gives you room to run multiple apps, browser tabs, and background processes without slowdowns. For multitaskers, students, and remote workers, that's a real advantage over systems stuck at 8 GB or less. Storage is handled by a 512 GB M.2 SSD, which means fast boot times, quick app launches, and plenty of space for documents, media, and software. SSD performance makes a noticeable difference in real-world use versus traditional hard drives, and half a terabyte gives you enough room to grow without immediate space concerns. One of the standout features of this mini PC is triple 4K display support, letting you connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously. That's huge for productivity workflows like spreadsheets across screens, live dashboards, or multitasking between apps. Whether you're presenting, editing, or working with data, having more screen real estate changes how you work. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Ethernet support, giving you flexibility whether you prefer fast wired networking or the convenience of wireless. That's a practical detail for modern setups, especially if you're positioning this in an office, living room, or shared workspace. Bluetooth support lets you add peripherals like keyboards, mice, or headphones without dongles. Now let's be real about limitations. While the Ryzen 3250U is solid for everyday use, it's not designed for heavy creative workloads, like high-resolution video editing or demanding 3D rendering. If your workflow centers on professional content creation or high-end gaming, you'll want a system with a stronger CPU and discrete graphics. For business and general use, though, this is more than capable. Another honest point is that mini PCs, because of their compact size, can run warmer under sustained loads than full towers. While this unit has adequate cooling for business and home comfort tasks, you might notice the fans become more audible if you push it hard for extended periods. That's a typical trade-off for miniaturization, but manageable in everyday office use. Overall, after comparing specs, user feedback, and real-world performance impressions, I think the KAMRUI Pinova P1 mini PC is worth buying if you want a dependable, space-saving desktop for business, work, and home computing. Its blend of speed, multitasking capability, modern connectivity, and 4K triple display support make it a strong pick for everyday users. Click the link below for the best price.